Hey guys, it's Charlotte. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll be showing you today how I put my hair into a regal bun. This has been requested off my Instagram. I start off with freshly moisturized hair using the lock method, and I put my hair into a loose bun. I spritz my hair just now with some water, and I actually mix oil and leave-in conditioner together. Part of the lock method. I brush my hair this way just to be a little bit more sensitive to my edges. I love to brush my crown and have the nice neat look, so I will hold on to my edges as I brush the main part of my hair. Now I have most of it in my hands, so it's easier for me to actually neatly brush it and put it into my ponytail for the style. Big hair problems. You'll see me struggling a little bit. Sorry, it's kind of out of frame, but I'm just putting it into a ponytail. Now I'm putting it into a loose bun. I think this part is important, as this also helps set the stage, I guess, for the Marley hair that I'll be adding shortly. I did add some gel and brushing my edges again. And now I have the Marley hair. I just took a pack. I twist it prior to adding it into my hair. I just tuck it into underneath my bun. I don't necessarily secure it. However, once I have it wrapped around once fully, it's easier to kind of secure itself. I mean, it's still loose, but it's secure enough where I can let go and continue twisting the rest of it. I try to get a texture that's close to my hair texture so I can look more real. I believe this is 1B, in case that might be useful information for any of you. When I did this style the first time, I barely had much time, so I just kind of was playing around and came up with this very quickly. I do it loosely, or at least I don't necessarily pin anything and keep it loose, so it's easier for me to kind of maneuver the hair the way that I like and tuck certain parts in. And when I get it to how I like, gotta do a little pose. And if you follow my Instagram, you know how much I love my satin scarf. So, me being silly again. Before I put on my satin scarf, I love my brush. So I'm going to brush my crown again. And then apply the scarf. I love the scarf. It helps to just keep the hair in place. As sometimes my hair can be unruly. This method helps keep my hair in place. And the longer I actually keep the scarf on, the more set in place my hair stays. Sorry about the music, there's traffic outside. So I put pins to keep my hair in place. I don't want it going anywhere. I keep the scarf on for about 10 minutes, and then after that I remove. And voila, here's the style. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.